Hi guys! Welcome sa aming another video. So ngayon is football training para sa aking alaga na si Dricky, and then with kasamang pok na yan kasi under construction pa yung building na pinaglalaruan nila. So meron din kaming swimming lessons, so soccer and swimming lessons for every weekends, and then rain or shine po ito guys.
Playing in the raining. Oh my god, so wet already. It's raining taco.
So at early age po sila guys, pinapaano na po sila kung anong gusto nilang sports or kung anong gusto nilang activities in life. So sa atin is wala tayo, kasi magpatintero lang man tayo doon at saka magtubig-tubig kasi wala naman tayo pambayad sa mga ganitong extracurricular activities. So see ya!